Good morning, everyone. So, I had quite a bit of interest on my last video about torque wrenches, so I figured I would take the handle apart and let's see what's in there. I never inspected these. I'm thinking maybe this is how they set the tension on the spring. They use these as spacers, possibly. So to get the handle off, there's a cap, and then there's a bolt. There's an Allen head. What I did, I don't know if this is some sort of I'm gonna set my caliper. So I don't know if this is how they set the cap at all. So I just set a depth there, just make sure everything's the same when I put it back together. Okay. Yeah, okay, as I suspected, that just has a ball bearing in there. Typical design, they use that kind of like that. You look at the ones with the press button where it lets that ball go in, same thing. You pull this down and the ball bearing is able to suck in, I guess you would call it. So it looks like there's a pin here. Oh! And we'll bang that out with something. So don't want to do this too tight. Oh, look at that. Was that easy? Oh, look at that. So it looks like those are magnets. That just popped right out. Okay, that's cool. I gotcha. I guess it has to be a magnet because this screws in. So let's see what happens here. Yeah, look at that. That's cool. Okay, yeah, look at that. Very simple. Nothing else in that tube. So that's your tightening device. Okay, so it's gonna be this bottom. Let's see that. That's gonna be gonna be your bottom. This jam nut, which sets your handle. So yeah, you can actually reset that to the 0, no problem. Put it to 0 tension. Yeah, so pretty simple. It's cool. Cool design. I like the magnets. That's cool. I don't know if I have the tools to take this head apart. You guys want to see this? Yeah, you probably want to see this. So there's going to be a... Let's see if I can do this with just with a nail. Okay, see, there you go. I don't know what they call these. It's almost like a it's just a lock ring. Okay, this is a very cool design. So this has an insert. It's got to be an insert unless they machine that right in. Do you know what that is? Machined right into there. And there's your ratchet mechanism. It looks like there's just a ball bearing in there. Can't see it, no light. So you're gripping with 3 teeth. But yeah, it's pretty cool. Oops. Make sure you put that in the right way. Oh, what do I got here? Most of my tools are outside. Oh, yeah, that'll work. Well, snap rings back in. Everything works. We'll put this handle back together. Yeah, so like I said, there's not much to these. Nothing changed. This handle looks off. So that's the first setting. Yeah, it goes past the 30. The 0 should be at the 30. So what I'm going to do, it should be very simple to do. So I don't know if this was ruined before, if I hit something when I was moving things. Or maybe I just screwed this. So I have to pull this out. It needs to go down. Yeah, I probably just move that a little bit. So what I did was I lined up with, there we go. Looks pretty close there. I just can't see these marks right now. Okay, yeah, she's not bad. So the only way to test this would be get my other torque wrench, torque something down, and then compare the results. Yeah, so like I said, pretty simple device. It is critical to take care of them like any tool. I hope you learned something. Hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe. Love you all. Have a good day.